Let's take a quick look at the Modify panel in Silhouette Studio. This is where you control how overlapping shapes interact, and it's one of the keys to clean designs, perfect welds, and professional looking cuts. You'll find the Modify panel on the right side of your screen. It's the icon with the rectangle and circle overlapping. I've drawn a couple of shapes, filled them with color, and I've also made a copy. I can set that off to the side. Saving a backup is always smart when you're experimenting with Modify tools. Weld takes two or more overlapping shapes and fuses them into one continuous piece. You'll use this a lot with script fonts or anytime you don't want overlapping areas to cut into each other. If Weld isn't working, it usually means your shapes aren't actually overlapping. You can just nudge them closer together. If you make a mistake, the undo button will take you right back. Subtract removes the entire shape that's in front, and it also cuts away the overlapping area from the shape behind it. So the front shape disappears completely, the back shape is left with a chunk missing where they overlapped. Subtract all keeps the top shape completely intact, but it cuts away any part of the shapes underneath that were hidden behind it. It's like the top shape becomes a cookie cutter for everything below. Intersect keeps only the area where all selected shapes overlap. With two shapes, you get the shared middle. With three or more, it keeps only the area where all of them overlap. Divide slices everything into individual pieces wherever shapes overlap. Nothing disappears, you just get little puzzle pieces you can move, recolor, or delete. Crop removes everything except the areas shared by at least two shapes. It is similar to Intersect, but it really shines when you're working with photos. Place a shape over an image, choose crop, and the picture will trim to that shape. Compound paths let a single shape have holes in it, like a donut. If you fill a compound path with color, the holes stay unfilled. If you choose release the compound path, those holes become separate shapes you can move, recolor, or delete. When you choose make a compound path, everything becomes one piece again with the holes cut out. It's one layer, one fill color, and it cannot be ungrouped. This affects how shapes fill with color and how they behave with modified tools, but your machine will cut them the same either way. Detach lines separates the outline of a shape from the shape itself. You can color the outline, move it, or use it as its own design element. The Modify panel is incredibly powerful, and the best way to learn it is to play around in there. You'll start to see which tools give you the results you want. If this helps, hit like and let me know which panel you would like to see next.